Hi, mommies! Kumusta po kayo? I had a great weekend. So, weekend ngayon. Today is Sunday. And naisip ko lang, after ko naglinis ng aking table, ng aking work table, naisip ko lang, mag-vlog kaya ako. Kasi, kanina, blend ako ng avocado with my Herbalife Dutch Choco Shake. Minix ko siya with this one. Medyo gustong-gusto ko kasi nagmi-mix ng fruits with my shake. So, dati, ang meron ako is, ito kasi Dutch Choco, bagay din siya sa avocado, right? Pero, ang pinaka-the best na i-mix with fruits is this flavor of Herbalife shake. Itong vanilla. So, anyway, going back to the story, nag-mix ako kanina ng avocado, one whole avocado with my nutritional shake na Herbalife. And, naalala ko, about last week, during my workout, nabanggit ko sa trainer ko kay Alim na nagbe-blend ako ng fruits with my nutritional shake. And may sinabi siya na, sabi niya, hindi kasi masyadong magandang nagbe-blend ng fruits with your shake. Or hindi magandang nagko-consume ng shake, hindi magandang nagko-consume ng binlend na fruits kasi daw nababawasan yung fiber content. So mas maganda daw siya na i-consume mo siya na as is. Ganon, para hindi daw mabawasan yung fiber content. So kanina, na-curious ako na totoo kaya yung sinasabi ni Alim, 'di ba? I mean, he's my coach and all that. I do love him. We've been working out together since September last year. And I'm very, very happy with the results ng kanyang pagko-coach sa akin. But syempre, sometimes when it comes to things like that, it pays to do our research, diba? So, nag-research ako ng konti. And according to majority of the papers that I've read is, ang blending, pag binlender mo, hindi nababawasan or hindi nababawasan significantly yung fiber content. Kumbaga, hindi naman siya cause for concern. Pero kapag nag-juice ka, yung juicing, dun siya nababawasan. So, kung ang habol mo sa pagkain ng fruits is yung fiber, and ayaw mo siyang kainin as is, i-blender mo na lang. Parang gawin mo na lang siyang smoothie, ganon. Pero kung ang gusto mo lang is the juice, para natural juice, you don't really mind not having yung full na diet, yung fiber content niya, okay lang na mag-juice ka. So, yon. Ang blending nga lang, ang blending, meron siyang parang mga effects. Like, it breaks down the food into smaller particles. So, I think this is important kasi ito daw nag-alter kung gaano kabilis yung fiber mag-move through the digestive system. Yon. Tapos, it increases the surface of blended greens. So, it may make the fiber more accessible to gut bacteria. So, nakaka-enhance pala yon ng benefits. So, ayun. And then, of course, it's liquid form. So, kapag liquid form, maaaring yung pagiging busog mo longer kung kinonsume mo siya ng buo is masya-shorten yung period. So, yun lang yung mga effects niya. But, with the fiber content itself, if it's blended, it's okay. Kasi hindi naman siya cause for concern. Again, reiterate ko lang, if you juice it, then that's when the fiber nalilesen. So, yun. Dinidebunk ko ang sarili kong coach, but we just have to stick with facts. So, there you go. Bye-bye!